Welcome to the TYCROP N-Dump B-Train Dumping Procedures training video. With the pup trailer connected to the lead trailer, position the unit at the dump site, making sure the trailers are on firm level ground. Deflate the pup air springs by using the dump valve located on the driver's side of the pup trailer. Undo the rubber tarp bungees and crank all tarps open and ensure that all crank handles are locked. Remove the tailgate latch safety pins. Turn the switching valve at the front of the lead trailer to the pup position. Engage the PTO inside the tractor. Watch for overhead power lines and obstacles. Pull the lever on the hydraulic power pack located on the tractor frame. The box will start to lift. As the box lifts off the frame rails, ensure that it is lifting evenly. If it is not lifting evenly, reposition the trailer unit to level ground. The box must lift evenly. Once the box is unloaded, lower the box by pushing the lever on the hydraulic power pack. Switch the dump valve and inflate the pup air springs back to the normal ride height. Locate the trailer on a level area where the pup unit and lead trail frame can be disconnected. With the pup trailer still attached to the lead trailer, ensure that the spring brakes are applied. Check that the half-inch hydraulic lines from the tractor are connected to the front of the lead trailer. Ensure that the PTO is engaged. Pull the selector valve on the power pack to activate the hydraulics. In the control box, set the pin height control valve to lock pin control. This will raise the ride height of all three axles higher than normal ride height. Wait until the Trident suspension has lifted to the full height. Close the three air ball valves located on the right side of the control box. Pull the air, hydraulic and electrical lines located at the right side of the control box and put them into the storage position. The inner line will exhaust the air from the number 2 and number 3 axle air springs. This is normal and will relieve the compression force on the top flange connection. Ensure that the safety chain is connected before releasing the emergency brakes. Push the emergency release button located on the connection bracket above the number 2 axle. This will release the brakes on axles 2, 3, 4 and 5. When you see a gap form at the top flange connection, operate the hydraulic control valve marked lock pins in the control box, disengaging the locking pins. Using the hydraulic control valve marked hitch control, push the lead trailer frame and pup trailer away from the lead trailer. Caution: the pintle hitch will automatically disconnect when the hitch trailer has fully extended. Pull the emergency brake release button located on the bracket above the number 2 axle. This will reapply the spring brakes on axles 2, 3, 4 and 5. Using the connector hitch control valve, pull the hitch forward approximately 1 to 2 inches until the tension on the pintle hitch release cable is relieved. Align the ends of the pointers attached to the connector hitch slide assembly to assist in locating the hitch in the correct position. Note the pintle hitch must be in the open position. Ensuring that the pup trailer brakes have been applied, remove the safety chain hook between the lead trailer and the tail frame. Deflate the lead trailer number 1 axle air spring. Pull the tractor and lead trailer away from the tail frame and pup trailer. Check that the air springs on the number 1 axle are in the deflated position. Position the lead trailer unit at the dump site, ensuring the trailer is on firm level ground. The air springs should be already deflated. Remove the tailgate latch safety pin. Flip down the lead trailer rubber connection cover on the dump chute. Turn the switching valve at the front of the trailer to the lead position. Switch selector valve on the power pack at rear of tractor to the tail frame connector hydraulics. Ensure that the PTO is engaged. Watch for overhead power lines and obstacles. Pull the lever on the hydraulic pack located on the tractor frame. The box will start to lift. As the box lifts off the frame rails, ensure that it is lifting evenly. If it is not lifting evenly, reposition the trailer unit to level ground. The box must lift evenly. Once the box is unloaded, lower the box by pushing the lever on the hydraulic power pack. Clean off any debris that may interfere with the reconnection of the tail frame to the lead trailer and flip up the rubber connection cover back onto the dump chute. On level ground, align the lead dump trailer with the tail frame unit, keeping both units as in line as possible. Gently back the lead trailer into the tail frame receiver until a connection is made with the pintle hitch. Check to see that the pintle hitch has locked onto the tail frame pintle eye. Check that the trailer spring brakes are applied. Switch the selector valve on the power pack at the rear of the tractor to the dump box hydraulics. attach the safety chain hook onto the lead trailer. Push the emergency brake release button located on the bracket above the number 2 axle. This will release the brakes on axles 2, 3, 4 and 5. Ensure that the safety chain is connected before releasing brakes. Using the hydraulic valve marked hitch control, pull the tail frame unit and the pup trailer together as close as possible. Inflate the air springs on the lead number 1 axle to normal ride height. Using the hydraulic valve marked lock pins, engage the locking pins. Note that you may require to adjust the pin height control valve to aid in this procedure. The pins will usually engage easier if there is a gap at the top flange of the tail frame connection. Warning: perform a visual check on both sides of the trailer to ensure that both lock pins are fully engaged. Pull the emergency brake release button. This will reapply the spring brakes on axles 2, 3, 4 and 5. Reconnect all the air, hydraulic and electrical lines located at the right side of the control box. Open the 3 ball valves located at the driver's side rear of the lead unit. Ensure that all springs are set in the normal travel position. Install all tailgate latch safety pins. Close all tabs, lock crank handles and attach rubber tarp bungees. Disengage the tractor PTO.